Okay, we're going to be adding this title this year. It's called American Educational Research Journal, and we were receiving it in microfilm, but we're going to be receiving the physical version. So I located the journal in the network zone, and I had the OCLC number, so I just searched by OCLC number, and it's not in our institution zone, so we're going to click on Order and create PO line. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to not only link this to the institution zone, but I also want to create a prediction pattern. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. And this is going to be located on the periodical backfiles circ desk area. The call number we're going to do is the title of the journal. So we're going to change this to the title, and save the record. Alright, I'm going to come back and fix that. And we're going to select the material supplier, which is WT Cox. And the list price is coming from their invoice that we received. And we need to add the fund. And that's also WT Cox. And the reporting code, is okay. I'm going to do manual packaging, and the reporting code is serial. And what we're doing here is adding a renewal date and the reminder period, so it'll give us a reminder a month ahead of time that this needs to be renewed. And I've selected manual renewal and manual packaging. So we'll click on Save and Continue. And we're going to open up the record. And you see I've got one that's physical and one that's microfilm. And I've got one here because I had started to do this before I started running the video, and I need to delete that. That's the third one. So this is the one we're going to be working on, and we still need to edit the call number. So we're going to go to Holdings, Edit, I'm just having major problems with that, so I'll come back to that. So we're going to do edit, expand from template, and this title comes out bi-monthly. And so you see it comes out February, April, June, August, October, and December. And the current volume right now is 54. Next year it's going to be 55. So what we're going to do is look for bi-monthly. And then you're going to select next predicted items information, and the first level is going to be the volume number, and first level of chronology I is going to be the year, and this is the expected receiving date is well, the issue date I have actually not the receiving date, but the issue date I have is January 10th, and that you can edit this, but I don't know exactly what day this is going to come. We're going to click on close, and one thing I don't know, because I don't have this in my hand, is I don't know if they number the issues, but actually that's something that we can put in here, is the issue number. So I'm assuming it starts with issue number 1, and we can look at the pattern here. So it did everything right, but it didn't do the month. So we're going to click on discard, and J is the month, so I'm going to put in 02 for February, and we'll take a look at the pattern again. Okay, so that got what we wanted, was February, April, June, August, October, December. It's 6 issues, volume 55, so we're going to click on save. Whoops, okay. Okay, so the call number here is entered, and I removed the copy ID number. One thing we have left to do is to just go back and delete this first record here. Yeah, let's see, edit. Alright, so now I have a physical, the physical journal record, and I also have the microfilm journal record. and we've got the purchase order line set up, and we're ready to begin adding our holdings. So to add our holdings, we would change to our acquisitions department and go to acquisitions and receive. And so here's the issue that we just created. We'd click on Manage Items. And then we would go ahead and scan in the barcode for the issues that we receive. And I'm just going to take a look at the purchase order line for this and see why it says rush. Because I have rush selected as yes. So we're going to go back here and click Manual Packaging Edit, and we're going to change the yes to a no. Here we go. We're going to uncheck this. So I must have clicked that by mistake. I'm going to save that again. Alright. Okay, so I don't see where it says rush anymore, so we were able to successfully fix that. And that's basically how you add the journal and create the prediction pattern.